We all know this is all important, but we still keep one eye closed all the time. We don't pay the necessary attention that it requires at the right time. More important word is at the right time. And then later on, when it is probably late or too late, we start to see what needs to be done, and it's probably very late at that point. So I'm not going to talk about all of these today, maybe a couple of them here, but these are important areas to focus on from a career point of view, from a growth point of view, from a work-life point of view. Health is definitely the most important, but I'm not going to touch a lot on that. So let's focus on some that is relevant for this topic that is given to me, and move on, but pay attention to all of these immediately. Okay, so let's focus on, I think the key focus is going to be obviously on career. The entire program is focusing on career and what we need to do and things like that. So I'll chip in from my perspective on what I think about what got you here and won't get you there as part of our Top Game program. So let's focus on a few things. Again, I'd like some of you to unmute us and say a few things about what is underlying here. There are two words that are underlying here. What is this here and the there? That's underlying.
Me asking for a presentation on that, so I kind of prepared them, but then obviously at that point of time I think there was some restructuring going on. So, and then again maybe 5 years back, again somewhere around 2016, the opportunity came in. So
I had my first round with Ravi, and then with at that time it was like Roshni. So I've cleared both the rounds on the very next day. So it was on a telephonic. When the final round was a telephonic round, it was like they were very transparent, and they were very clear what is the expectation set on me. They were very, very clear on the day one itself. When the first day when I came on, they gave me like, these are the things. There were a lot of expectations. There were clear job descriptions given to me. The expectations, everything was crystal clear for me to start my job.
So I'm sure some of you would have seen this chart, right? The Dunning-Kruger effect, it's called. So when you're starting to learn something, you always think, okay, I'll probably find it on my own. And as you start, you think you have it. There is that beginner's overconfidence, as they say. You think that, oh, easy, I got this. After a bit, you realize, oh my God, there's a deep ocean out there, and there's a lot more than I thought. You even reach a point where you think you're never going to understand what this is all about. After some time, you start getting some concepts, some model around that area, and then it starts to make sense. Now, after some time, you reach a point where you are happy. You know that you can pass off as an expert, but you know that there's a lot more. But